In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize emails in Getresponse. Personalizing your emails is one of the easiest ways to make your messages feel more human and relevant. Instead of sending the same generic email to everyone, you can automatically insert details like a subscriber's first name, their city, or other information you've collected. In Getresponse, this is done using what are called personalization tags, sometimes also known as merge tags, inside the email creator. First, start by opening the email draft you want to work with in the email creator. This can be a newsletter, a follow-up, or any campaign you're editing. Once the editor is open, you'll see your layout with different content blocks, such as text, images, and buttons. We're going to focus on the text blocks because that's where personalization tags are placed. Click into any text block where you want the personalized data to appear. For example, you might want to greet your subscriber by name at the top of the message. Place your cursor exactly where you want that information to show up. It could be in the middle of a sentence, at the start of a paragraph, or even in your closing line. Now, look at the formatting toolbar above that text area. Among the usual options like font size and alignment, you'll see a personalization icon that looks like a small silhouette or person. Click that icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with the available fields you can use. From this drop-down, choose the field you want to insert. Common examples include tags like a first name or city, as well as any custom fields you've set up in your contact list. When you select one, Getresponse will insert a placeholder into your text. During sending, that placeholder will be replaced with each subscriber's actual data. It's a good idea to read the sentence aloud with the tag in place to make sure it still sounds natural when the real information is inserted. You can also personalize your subject line, which is extremely powerful for improving open rates. To do this, move to the email settings step of your message setup. In the subject line input field, you'll see a similar personalize icon. Click that, choose the field you want, and the tag will be added directly into your subject line. Again, make sure it reads smoothly even when a name or city is added. And that's all you need to start using personalization tags in Getresponse to make your emails feel more tailored and engaging.